Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to create an engaging Instagram story for your coffee shop brand. So here you just need to open your Instagram application, and the next thing you need to do is access the Instagram story camera. You just need to go click this plus button, and then you just need to pick the picture of your Photoshop here, and we want to make it like less bright or less exposure. So we just need to go click these three small dots, go click this draw, make sure that you are pick the middle pen type here, and then you just need to go click this black color, and then you just need to go click this area and hold it until all of the picture is being blocked. Perfect. The next thing you need to do is just go click done. Okay, next we need to add the square. So we just need to go click this alphabet button, and then you just need to type three small dots here, three dots, space, and then give it this dot again and space. Have this three, and then we need to change the shape. We need to find the text that give this square type of dots, and then we need to adjusting this size. We need to drag it into the upper part to make it like bigger. Perfect. And then I think I will like to delete the space between them, and then you just need to go click done and drag with two of our finger so that we have this type of size. Perfect. And the next thing we need to do is just go adding the picture of it. So we need to go click this symbols, and then we need to go scrolling down until we found this pictures collections. Go click it, and we need to add the picture that we want to have here. I want to have this, so you just need to go click this picture until it has a square like this, and then you just need to like make it like smaller. Okay, and then drag it into this specific part or area, and then you can just do the next picture, adding more. I would like to have this pasture picture. Click it until it has like a square shapes. Resizing it, drag it into this specific area. Just perfect. Okay. And then this is for the last time, so pick the last picture and make it square, adjusting the size. Okay, make it like the same with the others, and then drag it to this specific area. And whenever you're done, now we need to add the text on it. So here you just need to go click the text and type that what do you want to say into this content of the story. And after you're done, you just need to adjusting the font. So I'll let you go with this, just adjusting the size too. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click or make them into the specific area that you want to have. And whenever you're done, you just need to add it into your story. So that is the way how to create an engaging Instagram story with only Instagram without any editing applications. So hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.